How to fix no internet secured in Windows. 1. Update your drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Run the internet connections troubleshooter. 3. Reset your connection. 4. Change your adapter settings, uncheck IPv6. 5. Uninstall then reinstall network adapter. 6. Check your antivirus settings. Note, you may clean boot your Windows. 7. Make sure that required network features are enabled. They are, Client for Microsoft Networks, File and Printer Sharing for Microsoft Networks, Link Layer Topology Discovery Mapper IO Driver, Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, Reliable Multicast Protocol, Internet Protocol version 6, TCP/IPv6, Link Layer Topology Discovery Responder. 8. Reset your network configuration. To do so, run the following commands as admin: netshare winsock reset netshare int IP reset IP protocol configuration / release IP protocol configuration / renew IP protocol configuration / flush, then restart your computer. 9. Uninstall problematic applications with Windows Clean Boot. 10. Enable the use random addresses for this network feature in your Wi-Fi advanced options. 11. Get closer to the internet router and check potential connection interferences. 12. Restart your router and computer. 13. Disable your VPN. 14. Forget the problematic internet connection. Like this. 15. Change your DNS server. 16. Contact your ISP or go to a local PC repair shop.